Got a part that's got some true position criteria on the drawing, and you're comparing your measured data to your nominals in a true position. I've got that situation here. I've got this plate with a series of holes or a hole pattern in it that mounts it to a tabletop. And then I've also got this middle pivot section right here that I was actually analyzing for true position. So I'm going to zoom in on this area here. You can see my IGES is in yellow, and then I've got my measured data that's actually in purple here. I'll go in one more section here yet too. So you'll see that my measured data here is in purple. It looks pretty close to where it needs to be based on the CAD model or the circle that's going through that section there. So what I'd like to do is I've got my circle that's measured already compared to my nominal circle that's been constructed on my CAD. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to compare that as a true position. There I touch off on GD&T, pull down menu, and I go to my position callout. So I get this dialog box that comes up for position here. I've got maximum material condition down here. And I've got up top here is RFS, even though it's not saying that here, but it's still RFS. I'm only concerned with the MMC, or the maximum material condition, true position for this hole. On my drawing, it's calling that true position out to be 0.010 of an inch. And then I come down here, and I can't remember what I measured it. I've got a lot of things to choose from down here. But if I can't remember what I named it, I can pick from the screen, and I'll highlight it here. Okay, yep, measured circle 1. I'll highlight that and say, okay. Now what it's actually doing is it displays both the RFS and the MMC here. So what I'll do is I'll go to the Tolerances tab and deselect the RFS. And you'll see the MMC, the maximum material condition, is actually, it's got my tolerance in here of the 10 thou that I typed in earlier. So I'll go back to report. It still displays what the RFS would be, or what the deviation is, even though it's not testing it with a tolerance here and an out of tolerance. What it's actually doing is down in the MMC row here, my deviation is almost 14 thousandths. My tolerance, even though I've typed in 10 thou, I've got some bonus tolerance that it's allowing me here, and I'm getting about 15.3 thou. I like that because the bonus tolerance gives me a condition that I am in tolerance, so my out of tolerance doesn't display any result here. And then down in this box, it shows me what it's testing. It's circle 001. So what I might do is come down here to the position label, and I will call that position for circle 001. And I'll say OK to that. So MMC, very easy to do. True position, it's a great call out for when you want to test a circle back to some criteria for its position relative to a datum scheme.